we're going to talk about Fontself. Fontself is one of my favorite apps to use when it comes to making fonts. So this is one I made already. It's kind of like a mid-century font. Okay, so this is the coolest thing I have seen to make fonts, because it makes it so easy and I don't have to transfer or any of that stuff. So what you can do, they have these outlines you can use, or you can add a photo right here. So like in my other font that I'm using, okay, so I drew my fonts in my sketchbook, took a picture, and then I'm tracing over it to get a good font look. And it has a lot of versatility, so if I want to see how it types something, so like say I want to do, say, hello friends, yeah, I can mess with that. And then if I don't like the spacing, I can mess around with the spacing a little bit, or the word spacing, I can mess with that too, like really a lot. But I'm gonna put this back to, oh, that's too much. But you get the point. There we go. Alright. And then it also has this feature where you can go to this type and showcase. So say you wanted to post it to social media, so it has all these different ways you can post to social media. So if you wanted to do like Instagram, TikTok, or Reels or anything right here, they have that justification here for that. You can put as like a YouTube cover, I guess Instagram post. Yeah, and these are all customizable, which is really, really cool. So say I go here, I want to change the color. Yeah, like that. It was retro banana is yellow. So, and say I didn't want these letters. You can do that too. Background. You can put a border on it. You can give the border a width. Change the padding of the letters. Change them to lowercase. Change them to uppercase. Justification. You can change the different aspects, ratios. Alright, so we're gonna go discard. I don't need this one. And then some of them you can change to a different picture, right? I have all these retro things in here, so yeah. Let's say you wanted this in the background. And let's change the color to like a darker color, right? Isn't that cool? Alright. Yeah, I really like that feature. Okay, let's go back to this. Yeah, I really like Fontself because I can just, if I want to export, I just put export and send it wherever I want to send it, and that's it. All finished. So, oops. And all the fonts are in vector format. So, let's see if there's any I didn't do. Oh yeah, ampersand. Okay. So whenever it gets transferred, it's not going to be blurry. It's all vector format, so no pixelization. And then let's say you want to make the letter L or something. So you can fill it in real quick. Oh, I didn't finish it right there. There we go. Really easy to make. Letter L. And then it's very easy to make smooth shapes. And you can go in, and if if you want to just mess with the box, you can mess with the sizing there, or you can get these little handles and mess with those to get the shape the way you want it to look. You can even, yeah, so it's really good. Or you can just move the whole thing. Yeah. And this is a feature I like, is if you erase it, then you can move 2 shapes, which is cool. This helps me a lot whenever I'm trying to get things that look the way I want them to look. But yeah, that's about it. And then if you don't want the templates, you don't need the templates. You can take them off. You can take the guides off. You can take everything off and just do it by yourself. But I like these. And also, what you can do, you can have your own by itself without all the grids and stuff, or all the ABCs and all the extra ones. So you can just work on it and zoom in. That way you're not distracted by all the other stuff. It just depends on like what you like. So yeah, this is one of my favorite apps to use for font making. It just makes it so much easier. And yeah, let me know in the comments if anyone has another favorite font app that they use. This app also you can use in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and it's really easy to use. So say you want to you make a font in Adobe Illustrator, you just select it in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and then it has a widget that's attached to it that just turns it into a font for you by magic. But yeah, maybe I'll do a video about that later. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Just let me know if you have any questions or if something that you would like me to make a video on. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye!